In this video, you will see how to insert quadratic equation in Word without typing. And I will also show you how to edit these quadratic equations so you can change the values of a, b and c. To insert the quadratic formula, first you need to go to the Insert tab. Under the Insert tab, you will see the option of Equation. Click on the drop down and you will see here pre-templates of the equation. So for the quadratic equation, just scroll down a little, and after scrolling you will see here the option of quadratic formula. After clicking on this formula, the formula will be inserted into the Word document, so you don't need to type anything. Now to edit the values of a, b and c, you just have to click next to the letter, delete the letter and replace the letter with the number. For example, we can just add any number. So for AC, for example, you can just type 2 multiplied by 3 like this, and that's how you can easily edit the numbers of the quadratic formula. Check out this video that will show you how to type equations properly in Microsoft Word. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to learn more tips and tricks quickly like this.